Hey guys, Jason, SDL, Surviving Dad Life. Today, I'm going to start a series of how to properly wash your car. A lot of people just go out, throw Dawn dish soap on it and get after it, and they miss a lot and they don't use the right stuff. So, I'm going to show you what I do when I clean it. This is going to be like a 4-part series. And today what we're going to start with is cleaning the wheels. As you can see, these things are covered in dust. I drive up and down dirt road all the time. And that's pretty much how they stay. Here's the stuff I like to use. Doesn't mean you have to. This one is new from P&S. Knockoff concentrated wheel cleaner. I dilute that 4-to-1 and I put it in the IK foamer. And then I use multiple brushes. I've got, wheel brush, tire brush, all this. I'll put water inside here, and then I'll put a car soap in there just to add some lubricity to it. I'm going to try this. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over the internet. It's on Instagram like crazy by Suds. And we'll see how good this stuff does cleaning the wheels. But anyway, let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to mix me up some of my soap. Never used this stuff before. It says pour 1 to 3 ounces in a bucket. It smells like cherries. Okay, we'll call that 2 or 3 ounces. Okay, and I'm going to have that filling up. Okay, this foamer that I have, if you guys get the money, get the chance to buy one, I highly suggest getting one. You'll see how good this thing works here in just a minute. Okay, while this is filling up, I'm going to go ahead and spray down my wheels with my cleaner. And watch this, I love this thing. Hold on, I'll get you up in here. I'm sure you can see the foam that this thing's throwing down. And hopefully it's not too windy, because and you guys aren't just hearing a bunch of wind, but I live in Oklahoma and that's all we have is wind. Alright, I'm going to spray that down, let that rest for a minute on there, or dilute, rest, whatever you want to call it. And then we'll get to cleaning. Alright, I like to start with my wheels first. This is going to be my wheel brush. And like I was saying a while ago, that car soap that I put on there is to help add some lubricity while I'm doing this cleaning. Okay. My wheel brush. Okay, now I'm going to clean the barrel of the wheels. Now I'm going to get the tires themselves. Alright, and then we rinse. As filthy as these wheels are, I can see it there. These wheels are old too. They probably need refinished. But they might need a second dab of cleaning. But, like I was saying, that's how I clean my wheels and tires. You don't have to use the stuff that I use. Just get any kind of wheel tire cleaner that you can find. I like to use the stuff that's a combination that can do both, where you just spray it one time and you clean everything. You do what you do, but remember, wheel and tire cleaner, then mix you up some soap to get some lubricity so you don't mess up the wheels, scratch them up, and then just get to cleaning. Do it by hand, the better they get. This is Jason again with Surviving Dad Life. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe down below. And once again, I got stuff to do, so guys, get out of here. Go get your own work done.